You want to hold it?
It's freaking out. No. And you need to go wash your hands and shit because...
I don't know what to do with this.
Stop freaking out.
I'm scared it's going to bite me.
It might.
Bite me.
Actually, they do have mites and shit, so you need to, like... Oh, my Jesus.
There's tons of them. There's tons of them walking down the road, and I'm walking down. Cleo chases after one, it flies off, and then once it lands, boom, she attacks. All I see is her running. I said, "Bad, Cleo, and there's 2 houses right in front of me. I'm scared it's theirs." Hope they didn't see me walking up here with it. Kidnap my rooster.
Is it the one with the wing missing?
Just a little bit, feathers. It was just a little scratch of bleeding. It still wouldn't walk.
It's probably terrified.
What do I do? Is what I need to know. Do we keep it? Or do we just give it to Cleo? You look mean as hell.
Is it the one that,
No, there's tons of them down there. Cleo only brought home one. I saw her attack it. I go down there. That thing did not move. So once I go down there, I pick the thing up and I bring it up here. She didn't bring it all the way home. I brought it home.
Let me see how big it is.
It's huge. I'm sorry.
Hey, Charles. I can name it. Hey, Charles. What up, Charles? Charles the rooster.
You shouldn't have got in front of my dogs, I'll tell you. Charles should have got in front of my dog.
Cleo and Charles. That's funny.
I mean, there's like 5 roosters just walking around. Cleo bends down. I'm like, Cleo. Then she chases them. They're all flying.
Oh,
one comes around the mailbox. Cleo chases that one. Flies up by the post office. And once it flies up, it lands. And all I see is Cleo running and attack it. And once she attacks it, I run down there. I grab it. I say, bad. I hope we can't get in trouble for this. We're helping you, buddy. That's gooey.
Yeah, it's gooey. Okay, well, if he's not that bad hurt, then just...
No, I mean, his legs bit right there. And right there. His wings bit. His neck got bit. I see it right there. Cleo's brought home a chicken before. Me and Cleo was fishing. Me and Nathan and Cleo. She takes this chicken out of nowhere and she brings it to us. It's still alive. We brought it here. Now it's a freaking rooster. Went from woman to male.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not really okay. I'm holding a rooster.
That's funny shit. Okay. Alright, I'm getting up. Because obviously, this is a bad situation here. Okay.
You shouldn't have got in front of my dog.
Oh my god. Alright, just,
Zane covered it. Get back!
You're holding it. You're gonna tell it to get back. It's terrified, okay?
Why is it looking at my nipple?
It's not looking at your nipple.
Bite me. Dare you. Throw you right on Brittany.
No, you won't. No, you
Brittany
won't.
kill you too.
Alright,
I don't know what to do with this.
Your face is hilarious.
I showed Zane. He hit on the covers and said, I don't like those things. So far, he's acting good.
Okay.
Hey, don't bend down.
I've got to,
You gotta get up and help me.
I know, this is, I'm gonna... Alright.
Because I do not know what these things eat.
We're not feeding it.
Well, I don't know what we're doing.
We're gonna kill it.
We're gonna kill it.
Yeah.
And do what?
And clean it. and cook it. No shit.
You bite me, I dare you. It's thinking about it. Look at it. This thing's got some claws. I ain't doing nothing to you. Don't look at me. Look at those. It's still alive, barely. Glad I got to it in time.
It's not barely alive.
This thing's barely alive. It can't walk. This thing can't walk.
It can't walk?
At all, no.
Really?
I had to pick it up and carry it up here. Then a car went past, and then it drove past me looking at me. This thing has a skinny belly. I feel it. You feel weird. Want to hold it?
No, I don't want to hold it. I'm in the bed.
Well, you need to get out of the bed and help me with this.
Oh my God! Get out!
What do I do? What do I do? Ah!
Get it out of the bed. Get it.
Hey!
Get it out.
I don't know how to get it out.
Pick it up. You picked it up a while ago. Oh my God, Nikolai.
Don't you bite me, you mean new bird.
Oh.
Get that out!
Cleo brought it home, still alive.
Mother, shut you, dude. Get that out. What is she trying to stick?
We're gonna kill it and cook it. No, don't you think about what you just did. You want to pay me?
No, we're not keeping it as a pet. Freak.
Stop moving that claw. You gotta get up and help me with this.
I'm getting up, Nikolai.
Hey,
I
please
don't
get
know
up now.
what
It's
in
moving.
the hell. Yeah, it's moving. It's a thing. It's alive.
Turn your head around. Don't you dare back me. Zane, I'm walking down the street trying to talk to my mom.
Now let me explain something to you. These things have mites.